Good morning. Welcome to my TLE virtual classroom. I'm Sir Junalbin B. Santos, your TLE teacher, and I'm going to discuss one topic in computer system servicing, and my topic is all about computer hand tools. But before we proceed to our first, the most essential learning competency for our milk. So our milk is plan and prepare for tasks to be undertaken. Identify and select appropriate hand tools according to the task requirements. Lesson objectives. At the end of this session, learners should be able, or you must be able to do the following. Letter A, identify the different computer hand tools. Letter B, appreciate the importance of computer hand tools. And letter C, name the different computer hand tools. Now let's proceed to our discussion. What is a hand tool? A hand tool is a device for performing work on a material or a physical system using only hands. Hand tools can be used manually or electrically powered using electrical current. Examples of computer hand tools. The first one is flathead screwdriver. When we say flathead screwdriver, it is used to loosen or tighten a slotted screw or negative screw. We have the Phillips screwdriver or Phillips head screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten cross head screws. Positive screws rather. Next, we have the Torx screwdriver. It is used to loosen or tighten screws that have a star-like depression on the top, a feature that is mainly found on laptop. So usually, the screws being tightened or loosened by the Torx screwdriver have a star-like slotted screw. Okay, next. We have hex driver, sometimes called a nut driver. It is used to tighten nuts in the same way that a screwdriver tightens screws. Next, we have the needle nose pliers, used to hold small parts. Small parts like we have the electronic component used in computer, the resistor capacitor. So that's the example of small parts. We have the wire cutter. It is used to strip and cut wires. Next, we have the tweezers. It is used to manipulate small parts just like in soldering, electronic component in motherboard. So we need to use tweezer to manipulate those small parts like resistor, capacitor, etc. We have the part retriever. It is used to retrieve parts from location that is too small for your hand to fit. Last, we have the flashlight. It is used to light up areas that you cannot see well. Okay, before we proceed to our activity, again, let's have the review. So what are the different computer hand tools? So we have flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, Torx screwdriver, hex driver, needle nose pliers, wire cutter, tweezer, part retriever, and flashlight. And now let's proceed to our activity. Direction. Name the following computer hand tools. Write your answer in a 1/4 sheet of paper. So you'll be given 10 seconds for each item to answer. So let's start. For number 1, Okay, for number 2. Okay, number 2. Okay, for number 3. For number 4. And for number 5. Okay, time's up. Okay, final answer. Let's check your work. For number 1, we have flashlight. Number 2, we have flathead screwdriver or flat screwdriver. We have hex driver. For number 4, we have wire cutter. 5, we have torque screwdriver. Great. Now, let's check your understanding. Direction. Identify the following computer handles. Select your answer from the given options. For every item, you will be given 10 seconds to answer. You may write your answer in a one-page sheet of paper, and afterwards, you're going to check your answer for self-assessment. So let's start. Number 1. For number 2. For number 3. For number 4. And last one for number 5. Okay, time's up. Final answer. Let's check. Okay, for number 1, we have wire cutter. Number 2, we have tweezers. Number 3, we have part retriever. Number 4, we have needle nose pliers. And for number 5, we have Phillips screwdriver. Congratulations! And that's the end of our session. I hope you learned from me today, and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!